Guys, we're clipping. I mean, we're making clips. These are the clips Lily made. They're clips. Oh, drink for a minute. The one guy's not there. The Korean's like her nails. What color are they? I don't know.
You're so useful. You're so useful. What's going on, Lizzie? Why do you want to trip right now? You gonna start my milk yet?
Got him! Got him!
Okay, I'll say your name and, yeah. No, actually. Everybody's doing their makeup. Oh, everybody say hi. Hi. Karina's doing everybody's makeover. Oh, the ear. Say hello to the vlog. Miss T, Coach Debbie, and Miss Allison Bang. Getting her makeup done by the professional makeup artist. Just all about people's faces. Why is Debbie serving right now? Why is she serving? Oh, never mind. And Cheryl. So, we just finished with our makeup. I got lashes on, but Grace don't. And they didn't. I don't need lashes because I'm a beauty queen. Anyways. Okay, so let's look at everybody's makeup. So we're putting on outfits right now. Everybody has their shirt on. Say hi, Leslie. Allison's putting her whole outfit on. Miley and Everly. Your hair tied. Everybody's putting. I'm changing. Everybody's putting the outfit on. I don't know what she's doing. Yeah. What's up, vlog? Oh, my quiz did that. It's day one of Molly, or day two basically, but day one comp. I need a band-aid. Why? I have a tiny cut, but I know if it was so cold it's gonna hurt. Oh no. Okay, so basically, what we're all doing, everyone already did a hair basically, except for some girls. And she's doing the dishes like a little slave. Here's Chloe. I'm a big kid now. Here's T. Debbie. Oh my gosh. There's Miley. There's Everly. Okay, what's up, vlog? Time check? I don't know what time it is. It's like, what time do you think it is? Here, it's 7:30. 7:30, I don't know what time it is, but... I was gonna say let's check time, but yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's like 7 something, and we're supposed to be there by like what? Check-in's at like 10? 9? Check-in is at 11. Damn. I'm gonna have it chopped. Wait.
사랑해.
Guys, we made it to Mongolier. It's so fucking cold. Wait. Show me. Oh my god, these losers over here, they're not competing because season is shooting swans, and then she's a fucking loser in Squid Dance last year, so. Oh, they added this in your YouTube? Yeah. Hey guys, so we're at our boba place because we're gonna go play boba, and we're making TikTok. Yeah, it's boba place rise. This is some bomb boba, guys. If you ever go to Mongolier, go to this one. This is the best one. is my food so big? Mine is big. What's the vlog? Guess where we are? A couple minutes. No, like maybe like 40 minutes till we go on stage. Maybe like an hour.
Over there dancing along. In our outfit.
We love you, June. We love
She need to learn their intro too. How does she? Yeah, but like she didn't learn first. Yeah. Okay, go ahead. Wait, where's she?
I wasn't. At that time, because by the time I was so like, we were just eating. It was already like 5. But eating. That's a long spoon. Sorry. Do it. No, you have to actually copy her. Yeah, every single thing.
Is this on Charlie's height?
Yeah, you're gonna get onto.
Johnny Whoop?
Okay. Follow me.
The
Okay?
pink.
No. Oh, shoot, it is a pink first. Wait. Johnny, Whoop, Johnny, Whoop, Johnny.
Johnny Whoop, Johnny Whoop, Johnny.
Get it wrong.
Get it wrong.
No, it's not.
Johnny
Johnny,
Whoop. Johnny. I'm not wrong.
Okay, go ahead. What's up, you? Which clothes? I'm naked right now, guys. So what if we're naked? Guys, I'm naked. Guys, so today we're doing the 1 bite spring roll challenge. Wait, there's 2 more. Like, I don't want to eat it all. Just have one. This is a thick one, baby. Yeah, go to it. Okay, 1 bite challenge, go. Lube it up. Let me lube it up. Actually, try it. Wait, stay still. Go. No, I want to save it. Oh my gosh. No, take that one out. Take that one out. I'm going to get a headache because of that. Take that one out. It feels secure, but take it out. You need it to be secure. You want your bun to come off? Yes. Relax. By the end of the day, you want to be able to feel it. Ooh, that one feels good. No, it doesn't. Does something in my teeth? I do. Wait, you kind of do. I feel it. 3 bites and then throw away challenge because I'm on a diet, guys. You're going to finish it in 3 bites. Okay, 3 bites. Ready? That was one bite. Should I go put my outfit on? That was one bite. Shake your head really hard. Okay, this is your next one. Ow! I'm gonna go with this one. 3 bites. One more bite and I'm gonna throw it away. Okay. Your butt is cooking. I know. Sorry, guys. Wait, I want Debbie to do it. I don't look pretty today. That's all. You do look pretty. Guys, it smells like poop. Did someone poop in the bathroom? Abraham. Abraham, did you poop? Did you poop in the bathroom? It stinks. It smells. He probably did, but we don't want to admit it. He's just shy, guys. He's just a baby. What's up, vlog? Ow. I felt that one. What's up, vlog? So I'm currently with Abraham right now. Show me it. And
She got lights in her hair.
my profile. It's so romantic.
Yeah, bring
What's up, vlog? What's up? I'm hungry, bro. We're so fucking hungry, but We are so hungry. What group are they on right now?
I think they're on
7? 8? They're on the 8th group and we're performing 10. And we're so excited. We're about to go backstage. So yeah, quick picture. What's up, vlog? Oh my gosh, we didn't vlog this whole time. We forgot to vlog. It's been like, you wanted to adapt to other girls. What's up, you too? It's been like a couple hours, and we finished performing. We walked around for a long time. Yeah, we did okay. Oh my gosh. You guys take a picture? Yeah. We're gonna go walk around, and then we have to go back for the week. Hey guys, so it's me and Alyssa. Yeah, and we bought these bootlegs. Stupid decision. We're gonna see what we are gonna get, okay? Yeah. So these are the options. Do you want the line? Okay, I want this one. Alyssa wants this one. Yeah, so let's open it. But okay. Sorry. We opened it. Disassembled. Wait, don't stop. Wait, she's saying it's a hipper. It's not a hipper. What the fuck am I touching? Wait, what? Okay, wait. Okay, I don't know an opening. I don't have an opening. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. I got hers! Wait, this is the one I wanted! The first one! Wait, really? Oh. Okay, wait. Oh, it is a hipper! Fuck, they scammed us. They scammed us. They scammed us. This? No, this is not this. They scammed us. Okay, sorry, they freaking scammed us. This is not what was advertised. Whoa, right? How did you make your stand head? I can't put it on. He's got a little lipstick on him, but it's okay. It's all smudged. Money is on there. Oh wait. Anyways, yeah, that's just a little side note. Put up your hipper Sunny Angel freaking wannabe keychain, not keychain. They got rid of my whole thing. Mojo or the surprise Mojo?
Yeah, the world is so small till it ain't. Yeah, I'm building up a wall till it break. She hate it when I call and it's late. I don't wanna keep you waiting. I hope
for like, oh.